as you can see here on our EURJPY for today. So please, before you go, if you have not subscribed, I want you to just subscribe before you go, like and share if you want, by the way. So now on our EURJPY, as you can see, any analysis on our JPY, we see that our JPY is falling. Any pair relating to our JPY is actually going bullish. So our euro will be going bullish for this week, while our JPY will be going bearish for this week. Now we can see it's this our resistance level. We saw this tested, push down. We saw this resistance level. We saw this resistance level. Now we are seeing that our price probably might fall here, but I don't think so. I believe that our euro will actually push up to take out this our liquidity area, previous liquidity area here. This is exactly what I believe my price will push up. That should be about 180 plus pips to grab, but let's see if we can grab about, if you take your buy position, you can grab 70 pips for today, which is actually not bad, or 100 pips between today and tomorrow, which is actually not bad, because our euro will actually be going bullish against our JPY. Our JPY is actually going bearish. That is exactly what our daily time frame is showing us. On our 4-hour time frame, it is actually still showing us. But one thing is that we can actually wait for a retracement, by the way. We can actually wait for our price retraces. Probably when we get that bullish move, we can actually see that retracement here. At least, this way I think we might see that, retracement where our price moves. We see that retracement in 4 before we can actually now see breakouts and continue movements upward that will take out this our liquidity area here. That is exactly what I think might happen, but we would want to be trading what we see and not what we think. But above all, this at least the area here where we can actually see the retracement before you actually take your buy. So if you want to take your buy, wait for a retracement, wait for a pullback before you actually take your buy on euro JPY. And same to it of 1 hour time frame. You see 1 hour time frame, we saw this bullish move, right? We saw a pullback. We are seeing a bullish move. I think we are starting to get here a pullback here. At least we should hit this area here. We should get the pullback. So this is our area here before we can actually now take our buy position. So if you don't mind, you can wait for our price to hit about 137.600. Then you actually take your buy position straight upward on our EURJPY. And let's see our news. Will there be any major news? No, the news that we will be seeing is about 7:45 a.m., which is on my time, by the way. Where I'm staying, where you are watching from can be different. Time can different, can vary. So now our euro, we can see no major impact. It's only low impact expected in news, and it will not have much effect on our forex trading. So low impact. The next one, no impact. French prelim, no impact. And where's another one? See, we have the CPY flash. We have the core CPI. We also have the Italian. All these are low impact news which will not have much movement on our price movement. So that is why I will be going bullish on my EURJPY. So if you want to go, same thing, so fine by it. But before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I need you to subscribe. Thank you very much.